To some music. I'm nothing else I can really say really. Just it will overheat. You want the thermal compound to fuse together between the heatsink and the the chips. Patience is a virtue. This is a way better way of overheating your system, just to let you guys know. Don't put it in an oven as well. Like, you think reflowing it, putting it in an oven, it's just such a bad idea. Like, I'm sure it's worked for some people, but that's just so dodgy. Especially when like people are like, there's some smoke coming out from the top of it now, which is a good sign. I'm pretty sure that when your Xbox 360 is smoking, it's not a good sign, but hey, some people are crazy. So, this is getting really hot now. Ow. The big one isn't as hot as the smaller one. The smaller one's roasting hot already. The green light's still on, so I know it's not completely overheated yet. Yeah. If you have any problems, just let me know what's going on, and I shall try my best to sort those out for you, or answer your questions in the best way I know how, which is the right answer. It's been about 2 minutes now, maybe 3, I don't know. It's pretty damn hot. The small one again is pretty bloody hot. The fans aren't spinning, as I said before, if you didn't hear me. When you're taking your Xbox apart, make sure that you're careful with taking off the X-clamps, for one, because they can be a pain in the butt. But I've done it a few times now, so I've got the knack of it, but it can be a complete arse ache to get off. But yeah, you don't want to scratch the rest of the motherboard, because it could screw that up. Chances are it'll be fine, but just in case. The TOWLE trick, I've done that a few times, which you can do, and it doesn't void your warranty if you've never opened it before. But it's such a temporary fix, it's ridiculous. Like, everyone's like, do the TOWLE trick, but for one, you've still got the crappy X clamps in there, and your motherboard's going to flex like hell because it's getting so hot, and that can cause more damage to your system. I mean, I'm sure you've heard that like a billion times. Oh, the light has now turned off, which means it has roasted to hell. Now what you want to do is just undo the power cable, and you want to leave that to cool down for about 10 minutes. And you want something to prop underneath. I'm just going to use this masking tape to prop underneath so it cools down quicker, like so. And yeah, you want to leave that there for a good 10 minutes just to cool down. I'm going to pause this video, and I'll be back to you when it's been 10 minutes. At the moment it is 3:05. So when it's 3:15, I shall fixing. It's been 5, 10, nearly 15 minutes. I said 10 minutes. I've left it 15 minutes just in case, as you can see. Still in its exact same place as it was before. So now I am going to plug the fans in, which I disconnected earlier. Keeping the space underneath here using that tape. Now you can put this back on. If it lets me. There we go. Now some people have actually, I've seen in some videos, they've actually taped around here, all across here, up and around, to secure it so that all the heat's coming from there. But I'm gonna leave it, so that's fine. Put the DVD drive back on. Like so. And then plug the power in, plug the AV in, and also you want to put the eject open thing button on the disk drive, and then you want to put this on as well, the memory, just in case it doesn't work without it. Right, okay, so everything's connected. I'm going to turn my TV on. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to turn it slightly so you can see what's happening. I'm going to change it to the AV, turn it right up so you can hear whether or not this works. Moment of truth. Turn the button on. Hey presto! Fully working Xbox 360. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. The fans are still whisper quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. They're not going crazy, where sometimes they can just go mega loud, like Concord loud. These are absolutely fine. Everything's working normally. Put the disc in. Oh, make sure you put the disc in properly, because I'm a retard. And there we go. So if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'm happy to help. I'll just show you this USB that I made from previous fans. Turn this bloody Xbox down now. And yeah, these are the fans I made. They're spinning at the moment, to prove that they're spinning, both of them. So yeah, I might add these on top or something, pushing air, oh sugar, so they push more airflow into the system. I'm going to keep the casing off this for a while, just to make sure that it works. And there we are. So any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.